Good evening. It was a packed weekend of sports with Jamaican athletes competing across the globe in athletics, football and netball at a very high level and doing well for the most part. The disappointing fifth place showing of the under-21 Sunshine Girls would be that low point. But kudos must go to the coaching, management and medical staff of the nation's team to the IAAF World Under-18 Championships in Kenya, where the nation secured 8 medals, 3 gold, 2 silver and 3 bronze. That's 7 more than the single gold won by Christopher Taylor 2 years ago in Cali, Colombia. Some would argue that given the strength of the team which traveled to Kenya, more medals should have been amassed, including the projected double sprint gold for Kivona Davis, but injury at the event negated that. But sports commentary believes that the medal haul was a fair one for a number of reasons. These include the length of the season for our youngsters, many starting to compete as far back as January, the toll that injury took on a number of the medal contenders including Davis and Tyreek Wilson, who still managed to win bronze medals in the 100 meters, as well as the short time, just 2 days, for the youngsters to acclimatize to the changed time zone in Kenya, which was 8 hours ahead of Jamaica, and the reported drastic shifts in temperature from day to day must be taken into consideration. From that perspective, the athletes did extremely well to compete, especially with so many of them competing with heavy strapping throughout the 5-day championship. So again, kudos to all involved with the helping the athletes to execute at the event in Kenya. I'm Keon Reyna. Good evening.